Wastewater collection supervisors often struggle with maintenance problems that frequently pop up in collections lines or lift stations. Keep watching this video for 3 solutions to 3 common problems. All wastewater lines or tanks will eventually have difficulty with fats, oils, and greases, or fogs. Fogs accumulate over time, sticking together into the walls of lines, pipes, and tanks, which leads to frustrating clogs and disgusting blockages. If fog buildup is not addressed, pumps can burn out and pipes can rupture, leading to incredibly expensive repair bills. Pump outs are necessary to remove fogs and ensure free-flowing lines, but you can reduce the number of pump outs that you'll need a year with a biological product that will digest fogs, like LineBack'R or PrimeZyme. These biological products can be fed into your collections lines, loosening and eating the built-up fogs with bacteria and enzymes. This will work to prevent grease caps from forming and grease from building up in the walls of a tank. Hydrogen sulfide gas, or H2S. As you may know already, fogs and sludge in certain environments can lead to increased hydrogen sulfide gas, or H2S levels. At low levels, you might only receive complaints from neighbors about the rotten egg smell. But at higher levels, H2S buildup can be incredibly dangerous for humans and expensive to address when you must replace the pipelines it has corroded. You must have an effective solution to reduce your current levels of H2S and reduce or prevent H2S from building up in the future, as it will save you money and time in the long run. Check out the video linked below if you're struggling with H2S buildup for a more in-depth look at states H2S solutions, like Pit Raider and Nutri Pro. Offensive odors. At the end of the day, wastewater isn't going to smell pleasant, but when complaints from nearby residences or businesses start piling up, you're going to need a strong solution that will effectively eliminate odors at the source. Odors from fogs and H2S can be incredibly intense and can even be hazardous, so it's important to consider solutions that are formulated to solve your specific problems. If, for example, you have a particularly foul-smelling lift station, you could utilize an emulsifier like Grease Be Gone, or a biological product like LineBack'R to break up the fog buildup and keep the lift station flowing steadily, reducing the amount of odor produced. Another option is a floating deodorizer like Cherry Float or Blanket 510 Wintergreen to cap off the odors below surface level and prevent grease caps from forming. Or if your problems are spread out across a facility, something with incredible odor eliminating power like Fresh Zone might be the best fit. How much does a wastewater agreement cost? Typically, entering into a wastewater agreement from State Chemical may cost you an amount within this range, but price can vary depending on the amount of buildup or specific problems your facility faces. If you are on an agreement with State Chemical, your representative will recommend the right product and the right amount, install any necessary systems, and check up on your facility periodically to ensure our solutions are working as intended. Now that you've learned about common lift station issues and how you can solve them, visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to speak to a representative and eliminate your lift station odors and buildups for good.